What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a gun show. I'm on my way there right now. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Nah, they didn't get it. This is a VSK. This is a VSK. This is the same round. Nah, they didn't get that. They got an AR. Oh, okay. I thought you said this one. Oh, that's a. Nah, that's a Sig. Those are bad, dude. Sig Sauer. Well, you have a Smith & Wesson, too?
Check one out.
Just taking a look around right now, brother.
Yeah. You'll see something else, I'll check it out. Just let me know.
All right.
The prices you see, cash price out the door, taxes included, no hidden transfer fees, so what you see is cash.
Oh, so that's a full price?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice.
And it's all brand new as well.
$639. Yeah, they got some. This. Which one? Oh, that one. What's that? Kimber? Oh no, Rock. That's a Rock Island. No.
Sorry, it's a 45. There you go.
$600. That's not bad.
For a Rock Island,
Look. How about a 22 long rifle?
This is 38 Super?
Yeah, 38 Super.
That's cash price out the door. Tax already included in the price. Yes, sir.
Look, if you want to swap your if you want to change if you want to make the barrel shorter, but honestly, yeah, you have to buy a couple little, you have to buy the whole little kit. Damn, look at this, bro. That is dope right there. This is nice right here. Look at that shit. You run out of rounds, you just stab somebody. Damn, bro, this is hard as fuck. I like that shit. Bro, I've never seen one like that. I've never seen one like this. That's badass, dude. I wonder how much he sells them for. I wonder. Hey, brother, what's the price for these? Or different prices, I'm assuming? Oh, that's dope. Nah, it's just to make it look like that. Oh, fuck. $45. Suppressor. Now you have to get for your.
That's it. I have some on it. Oh, yeah.
280?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's just badass, bro. That's expensive.
I was thinking like
Let's go there. Why don't you go that way? That's some nice knives, bro. How you doing, man?
they're all handmade Damascus steel.
Handmade?
All handmade, yeah. All the way around.
What do you use to make them?
And it's Damascus steel. You know what Damascus steel
Nah,
is?
what is that?
Ever heard of it?
No.
Damascus steel is layered steel. Layered.
Oh, okay.
So we take two different types of steel and we put layers one on top of the
That
other.
way it looks like that?
That's right.
Those are all layers?
300 to 400 layers.
Whoa.
That's what you see over here.
All those groups?
Yeah, those are all layers, and these are like fingerprints. No two the same. You can never ever duplicate a pattern, even if you try. I've got beautiful big knives, outdoor camping, hunting, swords, axes, Lord of the Rings, Aragon sword,
Oh, damn, that's
I have
crazy.
a Viking sword, Knights Templar, all beautiful and unique stuff. Walk
That's
around,
amazing.
man. It's a little museum right here.
Yeah, this
These
is
are all
beautiful.
pieces of art.
This is art. That is beautiful art.
And price-wise, they go from 60 to 80 to 100 and up. Like something like that's 80 bucks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Got them over there.
I seen these like in the movie The Mummy.
Yeah. These are known as karambits.
Karambit?
Karambit. karambit.
Is this it's
That's a self-defense weapon.
where did that weapon come from?
What part of the world?
Yeah, like what part of the world?
That's from the Mongolian Empire. Mongols.
Oh, okay.
You
The
know
Mongol-
Genghis Khan?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, walk around, man. Take a look. If you like something, feel free to pick it up.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Right behind you. Damn. Shit, look at this double barrel. God damn. That thing's heavy. Look at this Remington 22 long rifle. Oh, it's only a 22.
I went and did an errand, and decided to come back down and
Your buddy was here. He wants to. I didn't bring it. I have a single action 22 Kruger. Yeah. What's his name? Daniel?
what you got? I go, oh my God, what's wrong? Not another one. Not again. You said last time, I meant that weekend, baby. This is a different weekend. That's the last guy I'm buying then. So, what I did is I went to the ready deal. And they used to take the scope. You said take the. You did? Okay. Thank you. It's okay.
Oh, some nice lever action.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
These two, you leave like you answer the one above it and below it. There's no signature and today's date, okay?
That's what you guys have.
You also grades, man. 40 grades
Yeah, I was looking for like 2 more. Yeah. I know when you get, it's weird when you order from the site, it's more expensive to get it in turn. Oh, the shipping cost.
See anything?
No, man.
What caliber is that? 32?
I know, right?
250 bucks. Damn. Hitler's. Wanna be Hitler? 250 bucks. That Sig's bad, dude. That's Sig. Oh, nice. Let me see what else I got on this.
Yeah. No, I'll keep it in the family.
Yeah, I do. I'll give it to the son.
Yeah, somebody. Dude.
Where?
You would happen to have one of those with you?
Any what?
Any H300 used? Try to avoid the
There's always that
11.
chance, yeah.
Try to avoid the 11 now.
There's always that chance, but I hear you.
Somebody please hand me. I want to see what you're on.
Bro, honestly, it's cheaper than at the source. Because something like this will be like $1,300 bro. This would be like $1,400 at the gun store.
I'm like, why is it down there?
Yeah, gun shows you could always get them cheaper. You could always find a good deal, like $700.
He don't feel good.
Badass spray gun.
He's a typical man.
That's up to 700. That's 1,330.
Oh, I thought I seen a 7, bro. 1,600. Yeah, but I think this will only fit certain type of pistol.
Well, like this one, bro.
I think it's just what do you have? You have a Glock, don't you? Or no?
No, Smith & Wesson.
Oh, the Smith & Wesson.
I want a Glock though. I'm gonna use something recently. Or like signing off.
That's just dope. Or even like, look, this. That's hard too. Nah, but that's just dope, bro. You put it on your shoulder. Nah, but you need a full automatic. You need a full automatic with that shit. You need something that's full automatic for this shit. That's clean how they have these fucking. $100
For what? For a better? For this?
Oh, that's just weird as fuck, bro.
Just make it yourself. Cut it yourself or what?
I wanna ask him how much these things are. I wonder if this only fits a fucking butt. Hey boss, these will only fit. What is it? Only for Glock?
This will fit your Glock 17, 19.
Okay.
These units right here will fit your Glock 17, 19, 22, 23, 43, 26s, 20s. That's everything.
Okay.
Except for the 40 and the 36.
I even like all black. They're cool.
Which one? Alright, hold on.
It's pretty dope, man. What is this one here? Really?
Oh, the Sig Sauer. That's nice one.
How much is this one, boss? Can I see the size one?
That's bad, bro. That's a Sig and a 1911. Which is badass.
It's a nice gun.
Yeah, that's a nice one right
They
there.
shoot really good.
Yeah, can't go wrong with the Sig.
Yes. The Gen 3s are falling off the roster again.
All of them?
Most of them, the 40s, the 45s.
Yeah, it's a man top bad.
Yeah, she's hard.
So like
What is it?
what's that say?
Cool.
That chrome one. $1,000. ¿Sí la vale?
Yeah. It's 38 Super.
The trim.
Rock Island.
That's just bad. Good cop or not?
Gold Cup, that's just hard, bro. There's that $3,500.